The rainbow balloon suddenly lifted into the sky. Higher and higher it floated above the little village. Its colorful stripes sparkled in the morning light. At first, the balloon felt nervous. The clouds looked very big from up there. Then a gentle breeze pushed it toward a beautiful green valley. "Oh," whispered the balloon. Below, tiny flowers danced in the fields. A blue river curved between the trees. Then the wind became stronger. The balloon wobbled from side to side. For a moment, it felt like turning back. But the balloon took a slow breath and kept floating. Soon, the wind became gentle again. The balloon looked down and saw a little red bird flying beside it. The bird chirped happily and flew in a big circle around the colorful balloon. Then something wonderful appeared. A bright rainbow stretched across the sky. Red, yellow, green, blue, and purple colors sparkled from one cloud to another. The little balloon smiled. It had been afraid of the big sky, but now it wanted to see everything. So it floated peacefully above the valley, carrying its bright colors wherever it went. The little red bird flew beside it as the warm sunlight filled the sky. The end.